So, how long have you been enjoying the romantic glow of your check engine light? Hey, it's not there to create ambiance, it's a warning that something's wrong. When your check engine light comes on, get it checked. Many conditions that cause the check engine light to come on affect your fuel economy, some pretty dramatically. Always make sure you tighten your gas cap until it clicks. A loose gas cap can cause a false sensor reading that'll make the check engine light come on. So if your date's eyes are smoldering in the reflected glow of the check engine light, try to think of all the gas money you'll save by getting it fixed.